billions and billions of their tax money every year going to support these outrages. This country is suffering. They're living in New Orleans.
It feels far from the bombs here, but we're not. Our silence is complicity in the violence being done to the people of Gaza. For those who follow the Christian tradition and the season of Christmas, we forget that in the midst of that was another ancient feast of the slaughter of the holy innocents, killed by a mad power whose fear and violence, who always are twins, always go together, slaughtered indifferently. And in a passage from the Hebrew Bible, we hear that in Ramah, there was a weeping and a wailing of Rachel for her children, who would not be consoled because they are no more. Now, if the people of that book cannot hear the wailing for the children of Palestine, who will listen to their cries? We stand here as witnesses against the terrible horror being committed in the name of security and peace, the same words that are used by the leaders of our government to commit unpunished crimes. Our witness here is evidence that this will not stand. Our voices will be heard, even in the midst of the storm, in the snow, and through the darkness. The violence against the people of Gaza must stop. The Palestinian people must be given their rights, their land, their community. Their mothers must be allowed to stop weeping.
Hey, hey, ho, ho, the siege of Gaza's got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho, the siege of Gaza's got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho, the siege of Gaza's got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho, the siege of Gaza's got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho, the siege of Gaza's got to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho, the siege of Gaza's got to go.
Free Palestine.
Occupation is a crime.
Free, free Palestine.
Occupation is a crime.
Free, free Palestine.
Occupation is a crime.
Free, free Palestine.
Occupation is a crime.